created your treatment plan for your patient, you may wish to print a copy for them or email a copy through for them. Now, printing is a very simple thing to do. Within the treatment plan tab itself, you have an option on this lower left-hand side to print a copy. That will simply open up a new tab so that you are able to print off that standard looking treatment plan. You do have control over the disclaimer at the start and the end of the treatment plan. You will find that in your management settings. But other than that, there's not much that you're able to do in terms of customizing this per individual patient. What a lot of our customers prefer to do instead is they close out of the treatment plan tab and they go to communications instead. From here, we can click on create new document. So we go new document and I'll select which template I want to use. Now, we have got some standard templates that we can help you with. So if you don't have anything in place, please let our support team know because we can share these with you. I am going to use this one down here called treatment proposal. You will see in here there is a macro for patient treatment plan. So as soon as I create this document, I'm going to click this green button here. That treatment plan for this patient is automatically inserted. We've got it split up into visits exactly how it appears within the actual treatment plan. But the benefit of doing it this way is I can type anything that I want to for this particular patient. So if I need to explain treatment to them, I can. If I want to put in a different disclaimer, I can. I can even amend the treatment plan itself. So, I can change any of these: oral hygiene instruction, adhesive restoration. Maybe they don't understand that, I can change that to filling. Beautiful. Make any changes that you want to in here, and from here you're going to have the ability to print as usual. So you've got a print button at the top, or you can email a copy through for the patient. This is a really popular method because then the patient can't lose it. It's always going to be available to them on their smartphone or wherever they access their emails from. You can also treat this as a consent form. So what we're seeing a growing number of our practices doing is entering in a signature field. So in order to make this an electronic consent form, all you need to do is insert a signature and you'll have this yellow box appear. You can pop in other information, so we can go macros, patient full name, so that we've got a reference of who the signature is. We can say date and pop in a macro for the date today, macro today's date. This can all be done as a part of the template as well, so you don't have to manually add these every time. But you'll see as soon as we added in that yellow signature box, we have the option to sign via email, and we would email it through for our patient, or sign on iPad. If you have an iPad at your practice, you can log into the Praktika Dental app. It just uses your regular user login details. Find this form for the patient. After you've clicked sign on iPad, it will be showing up in their file ready for them to sign, and you just hand over the iPad for them. If you have any questions about that process, please let our support team know. If you would like us to share any of these templates with you, we also have a great one for financial consent, which is a similar thing. It's got the patient treatment plan in place, but it will go into further detail about what you consent to and that the patient is responsible for those charges. We can share all of these with you, so please let us know. Thank you.